Why is a proposal necessary? A proposal for PSoC helps the mentor, who is previously unknown to you, to understand how well the applicant is. It also allows the mentor to choose between the number of applicants. There are few points to keep in mind. A proposal helps the mentor to understand how well you know the topic. It makes the mentor sure that yes, you will not take much of his time in understanding and would be ready for development. It also checks your documentation skills. How to build a proposal? Start writing your proposal on Google Doc or similar apps. It need not be too fancy and should be simple with consistent fonts. Your proposal will contain your name, email and contact, a public link of your resume. It helps the mentor to know you better and choose between applicants by seeing if you have done the work previously or not, and what kind of skills will be essential for building the project. Project title. It is the same title which the mentor has already mentioned in his project. Motivation for the proposal. It contains points like, why are you particularly applying to this project? What is your motivation on building this project? How do you understand that using your skills, you will be able to build the project? How this project can be useful to others as an open source project. Goals. Here, briefly mention the major milestones you have to achieve. Implementation details. This is an important part. This contains what actual things are needed to be implemented in this whole project. For example, if your project is a COVID-19 detector, you would first collect the data, pre-process the data, mentioning that I'm using this or this Python libraries. For detectors, which kind of classifier, etc. How you would be actually deploying the model. For web-based projects or apps, you should mention what all technologies will be better to use in this part of the project. What all things can lead to a proper implementation of the work. Timeline of the project. It is also one of the major parts in understanding that whether you will be able to complete the project within the given time frames or not. Mention in points. It can be weekly or bi-weekly timeline according to your choice. So in the timeline you will be having like, in the first week you will be implementing these things. In week 2 you will be doing these things. Briefly mention what will be the final outcomes. Proposal will be a minimum of 2 pages with half page up to goals and 1.5 page for the rest. It can be more also, but should not be larger than 5 pages. It should be a brief discussion so that mentor will be able to understand how well you can complete the project on time. I hope you are now ready to build your own proposal. For more info on PSoC, you can visit psoc.in. Thank you.